G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back again with another video, and today we're doing a quick video comparison for the video capabilities of the Huawei Nova 3i. So without further ado, hit that like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Now there's a lot of different features on the Huawei Nova 3i. Probably half of them you could scrunch up into a ball and chuck out the window, and the other half are probably worth using and playing around with. You've all seen the video on the slow motion and you can make what you want out of that, but today we're just testing the standard video capabilities. So the first video I'm going to do is front facing 720p. Now the front facing camera only has 720p on the Huawei Nova 3i. Maybe on the Smart Plus model you might have 1080p, but on this model that I have, Huawei Nova 3i, 720p on the front facing cam. You do have HDR Pro Mode as well, and they're going to test that out right now. So let's check it out. Alright, so here we go. This is Huawei Nova 3i, front facing cam, 720p with HDR Pro enabled. So you can see everything's pretty blown out because it's a very bright day, but I'm in pretty good focus, I think. I've turned off beauty mode. I don't need any of that crap. But you can see that I'm well in focus, and no, I don't think it's too bad. If you're going to shoot in 720p for whatever reason, Huawei Nova 3i has you covered. And just quickly, this is with the HDR Pro disabled. Much of a difference, but anyway, front facing cam, 720p, HDR Pro disabled, beauty mode disabled. I don't need no beauty. So here we go. This is 720p rear facing camera of a Huawei Nova 2i. It shouldn't be any different really to the front facing camera, although the front facing camera is 24 megapixel and this one is 16 megapixel. So let me know in the comments what you think of the 720p. Alright, now we have 1080p, 18:9 aspect ratio. So tell me again, what do you think of the 18:9 aspect ratio and video? Is the stabilization good or is it crap? I'm guessing it's pretty crap. But if you've got it on a tripod, it might not be too bad. 1080p, 18:9 aspect ratio. Alright, so here is the 1080p standard aspect ratio for the Huawei Nova 3i. Shouldn't be any different to the last one, which was just in 18:9 aspect ratio. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is it jittery, bouncy, not stabilized? I'm not doing much, just walking around in a circle. But you can let me know in the comments below. Alright, and this is the last one. It is 1080p, 60 frames per second in your standard aspect ratio. So let me know in the comments down below if you think this one is as good or as bad. I wouldn't be too harsh on the background being blown out because it is a really bright day and there's a lot of haze in the sky. Any camera would struggle today in this light, but more looking for image quality and also looking for stabilization if you think there is any. So hit me up in the comments down below what you think. 1080p Huawei Nova 3i, 60 frames per second. Alrighty, so there you go. Huawei Nova 3i video test. Pretty basic test, but hey, you're always going to be shooting in pretty basic circumstances, especially with this kind of camera. So what did you think of the Huawei Nova 3i and its video capabilities? I think they're a little bit limited. I think it is a good camera, but not the best camera. You could get better video capabilities on similar priced devices. Let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comments down below. Hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.